Oh shit, y'all, we're getting in the race car. Oh shit, y'all, we're getting in the race car. Even got a purple pillow for my butt. Turn down on the car before you start it, we can't hear you.
Stayed on Malibu. Stock bottom man, just cam, Battle Springs, 7875, cast VS1.
Hell yeah.
Just budget built pretty much.
Yeah, 5.3.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. 400 trans.
Yeah, built by Kevin Hensley.
Oh yeah, yeah. That dude does a bunch of trans.
Yeah.
Yep. Terminator X.
Yep.
What's the car running? It's like
we went 1080 last week for the trans and you were in. Trying to get back into the tent again.
nice. All right, cool. We're gonna cruise around. It's fender exit, so it's gonna be a good time. Oh yeah. This is awesome.
About 8 years ago for $600. It's a V6 car from I bought from a couple. I drove it like that for like 3 years. I didn't change the oil in it for that 3 years, and it lasted that long.
Oh man, that's awesome.
But then eventually I built a small block for it, and I did that for like 3-4 years. And this reason, like 2 years ago, I